Stop paying for AI video tools. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 3 insanely powerful AI video generators that are 100% free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just results. And here's the crazy part. If you've ever tried finding a free tool, you already know the pain. You test one, looks good, then suddenly paywall, watermark, or limited exports. It's honestly frustrating, but not this time. I've already tested a bunch of tools and picked the ones that actually work. No tricks, no fake free nonsense. And these aren't the same tools everyone keeps repeating. These are underrated, powerful tools that can seriously upgrade your content. So if you want to create better AI videos, faster, easier, and without spending a single dollar, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into tool number 3. And trust me, this one is actually crazy. Tool 3 is Qwen AI. And you may have already heard about it, but most people still don't realize how powerful it actually is. Just search for it in your browser and open the first result. Once you're on the site, you'll see an interface similar to ChatGPT where you can ask anything, but in our case, we're here to create videos. To do that, simply click on Video Generation under the chat box. Now it will take you to another page where you'll need to sign up. You can quickly continue with Google, and once your account is ready, you can start creating videos immediately. To generate a video, just write a prompt, anything you want. I'll paste a sample prompt that I created earlier, send it, and within seconds it generates an image first. From there, you'll see an option that says Create Video. Click it, paste your prompt again, hit send, and just like that, your video starts generating. After a few seconds, your video is ready. And the best part? It includes audio plus video, similar to high-end tools. And yes, it's unlimited and completely free. You can download it, generate more videos instantly, or start a new chat and repeat the process. So yeah, this is an insanely powerful tool. And if you already knew about it, don't worry, because the next tools are even more powerful. Now let's move to tool number 2. Search Gemini Gen in your browser and open it. Right away, you can start generating videos with a single prompt. But let me show you the best and easiest method. Click on Studio, and now you unlock something much more powerful. Here, you can choose between multiple AI video generators like VO3, Grok, Kling, Meta AI, and more. Just pick any model, write your prompt, and then customize your video. Select the ratio, resolution, and duration. For example, I'll choose landscape, set the resolution, and adjust the variations. Now here's the important part. You'll see that it says 0 credits, which means it's completely free. Click Generate, and within seconds, your video appears on the right side. And as you can see, the quality is actually impressive. You can switch between different AI models like VO3 and generate completely different results using the same prompt, all for free. Now let's get to tool number 1, and honestly, this is the one I personally use the most. This is Gemini Business with VO3, and I've already used it to generate multiple scenes in this video, completely free. To access it, just search for Gemini Business and open the first result. Sign in, then click on the Tools section, scroll down, and select VO3. Now just paste your prompt, hit send, and let it generate. Within seconds, your video is ready, and the quality is on another level. No limits, no cost, just powerful AI video generation. And if you want a full step-by-step guide on how to unlock this properly, I've linked a detailed video in the description where I show everything. So now you've got 3 powerful AI video generators that you can start using today, completely free. No excuses, no limits, just tools that actually work. Now here's what I want you to do. Pick one tool from this video, test it today, and tell me in the comments which one surprised you the most. And if you want more real AI tools, no fluff, no paid traps, make sure to subscribe, because I'm consistently sharing tools that give you an unfair advantage. Don't just watch, take action, create something, and start leveling up your content today. I'll see you in the next video.